video, we're gonna be going over 4 scarf juggling. Let's go. Welcome back, my name is Peter, I'm the Emotional Support Clown, and this channel on YouTube is all about circus content. So if you like circus, if you want to learn different circus tricks, consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you. Today we are going over the basics of 4 scarf juggling. I'm going to be breaking it down so you can learn in increments, because that is what juggling is all about. It's learning things step by step. So the prerequisites for this tutorial is learning 2 scarves in one hand on both sides. You want to get it on both sides before we continue. And lucky for you, I have a tutorial on how to juggle 2 scarves in one hand. I'll link it in the info card above, as well as in the description box. So go watch that and then come on back and we'll start grinding this out. When starting your 4 scarf journey, the 2 basic patterns that you're gonna wanna learn are the synchronous and asynchronous fountain patterns. So synchronous is where we throw 2 scarves at once, and asynchronous is where we throw 1 at a time. A couple things that you're gonna wanna focus on when trying to juggle 4 objects is making sure that your right hand stays on the right side of your body and your left hand stays on the left side of your body. You don't want these scarves crossing over, otherwise it will jumble up all the scarves. Most people find the easier throw to learn first is throwing from the inside of your body to the outside, like so. But you can also reverse this and throw from the outside, inside. The last type of throw you can try is called pillars, and that's where the scarves just go up and down. And for this one, I've actually switched up my scarves so that I have a yellow and a pink in one hand and a yellow and pink in this hand. You'll see that it makes a really beautiful pattern. Look at that. Almost lost that last one. From there, you have 3 different throws you could try out. You go from the inside to the outside, to pillars, which is really cool. Lastly, if you're feeling extra spicy, try throwing 1 on the inside, 1 on the outside. Looks like this. You can also switch directions. That is it for this scarf juggling tutorial. If you liked this video, if you learned something, leave me a comment and subscribe if you want more circus content. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.